morning, students. From the human health and diseases, we continue the same chapter. In that last topic, drugs and alcohol abuse. Drugs and alcohol abuse. Drugs as well as alcohol, these two are two potent chemicals which are making a nuisance in the society, or especially the youth, which creates so much of harmful effects in the human body as well as society, and it changes the healthy lifestyle and behavior of an individual. And the drugs we are talking in the sense which are not taken as a medicine, instead of that, which has a certain adverse effect for our body. And most of these drugs which are under this heading, these are opioids, cannabinoids and coca-alkaloids. These are mostly of a plant source. I have written this in the column wise so that it is easy for you to remember. It may be asked for 1 marks. All these things may be, or they may ask you the effects of these three together for the board exam, or for 1 marks, that is for competitive exam, it may be as a options. First one we will see the character. In the first column I have written the characters. Next, the three important drugs, that is opioids, cannabinoids and coca-alkaloids. First we will see source, from where we are obtaining these drugs. The source for opioids is latex of poppy plants. Latex means white milk, which we obtain after cutting the bark of the plant, or outer ಮರದ ತೊಗಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, white milky extract, that we call it as latex of poppy plant. And this latex of poppy plant, on acetylation, it gives morphine. Which after we call it as the acetylation of this morphine is called as diacetylamine. It is called as diacetylmorphine. Which is chemically opioids. Opioids is diacetylmorphine. Acetylation, diacetylmorphine is chemically nothing but opioids. How we get this diacetylmorphine? That is acetylation of morphine. Morphine from where we get? That is latex of poppy plant. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Latex of poppy plant contains morphine, which on acetylation gives you diacetylmorphine. And next is cannabinoids, and this is usually cannabinoids are obtained from inflorescence, bunch of flowers, inflorescence, and flower tops, leaves and resins. Resins means again secretions from the stem. Flower tops, leaves, resins. The inflorescence is the source of cannabinoids. And coca-alkaloids. Coca-alkaloids are obtained from extract of coca plant. Coca plant ಅನ್ನು ಜಜ್ಜಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ರಸ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ coca-alkaloids ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. And this is about the source from which we can get these drugs from the plant. Next, the scientific name of this plant. Opioids are obtained, that is diacetylmorphine is obtained from Papaver somniferum. This may be important for you for the exam. Papaver somniferum, that is opioid source. Cannabinoid source is cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa is the source of cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are obtained from cannabis sativa. Coca-alkaloids are obtained from Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca gives you coca-alkaloids. What is this common name of these drugs? Opioids. Opioid is called as heroin or smack. Opioids are called as heroin or smack. Cannabinoids are called as marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. Cannabinoids are called as marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja. and coca alkaloids are called as coke or crack. Coke or crack. This is some common name for that. Next is site of action. Where exactly these drugs will act in our body. That is, opioids act our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Our central nervous system, there are receptors for opioids. These opioids go and bound to the receptors in the central nervous system, that is the brain as well as gastrointestinal tract. It is usually taken as inhalation of this opioids, morphine especially the injection of this also available. Injection, this is that is snorting and injection is the two way in which you can take these opioids. While cannabinoids, they act on the receptors in the brain. They act on the receptors in the brain, and that is this is taken as injection. That is, oral pills can be taken, or it can be taken as an inhalation. They will inhale these powders. The powders of cannabinoids. This is charas ganja. These powders are inhaled, or it may be taken as tablets. Next is the coca alkaloids. Coca alkaloids act on the central nervous system as well as it interferes with the neurotransmitter dopamine. Dopamine is responsible for the feeling pleasure. The ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿಯ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಡೋಪಮೈನ್. ಈ ಡೋಪಮೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂರೋಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್. ಅದರ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಕಾ ಆಲ್ಕಲಾಯ್ಡ್. What is the effect of this? That is, if a person consume opioids, this opioid is a colorless crystalline powdery substance. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. It is intake of this in the form of injection. The person will enter into depression and slows down body function. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತುಂಬ ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ತುಂಬ ಮಂಕ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಈ ಓಪಿಯಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ. It slows down body functions. When this opioids or morphine is given when a person is underwent a surgery or something in order to avoid the not having the knowledge of pain or something, it slows down our pain centers. Next is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids act on our cardiovascular system. That means it directly acts on our heart. It brings about unusual heartbeat and excess heartbeat, tachycardia. And ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ into myocardial infarction, heart attack. All of a sudden individual comes to death because extra dose of cannabinoids may lead to the death of an individual. Next is the coca alkaloids. Coca alkaloid produce a sense of euphoria. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ತರ್ತದಂತೆ. It produces a sense of euphoria, and if you take this same coca alkaloid in excess, it causes hallucination. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗೆ, ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, unusual voice, unusual sounds, unusual feelings individual will get. And this taking usually this is taken by some of these sports persons these days. And this coca alkaloid also obtained from datura plant also, and Atropa belladonna also gives the same coca alkaloids. Along with that, these days barbiturates and amphetamines, lysergic acid, diethylamine, these are also chemicals used by individuals so as to bring about the same effects of maybe the getting rid of pain or something like that. But frankly speaking, these are all not actually gives any positive benefit for an individual. It finally spoils individuals' long-term health and never solves the problem of an individual. Instead of that, it creates extra problem with reference to human behavior, psychology as well as physiology. And so individual has to avoid use of all these drugs unless and otherwise it is medicated. And sometimes even the medication in the long run may leads to the addiction also, because as it affects the CNS, individual enters into a process of addiction. Along with these drugs, another one is smoking. Smoking is also it is a long back behavior pattern of an individual. Nearly 400 years back, individuals start smoking. Smoking contains several chemicals. That is nicotine and alkaloid is a major chemical present in the smoke. This nicotine acts on our central nervous system and affects the brain. Along with that, it affects our lung, throat and gastrointestinal tract, liver. Apart from that, the same nicotine is used in used as a chewing. ಎಲೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ಹೊಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಹೊಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆ ಹೊಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ chewed, it causes the oral cancer, or it may be the throat cancer, lung cancer and gastrointestinal cancer and liver. Like that, several body functions are altered by this smoking, and smoking also causes the individual's good health, especially the GI tract functioning is altered a lot. GI tract functioning is altered a lot. Hence, one has to avoid or overcome this. The smoking also causes you feeling get rid of the some actual problem person is having. It is not the case. It is actually making a cover over your thinking capacity of an individual. That's it. So smoking is also not good from the health viewpoint. It causes variety of cancer for all through the body of an individual. And smoking also, that nicotine present in the smoke, that is in ಹೊಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿರುವ nicotine, it affects your adrenal gland, makes your adrenal gland to produce more of adrenaline and noradrenaline, and which in turn increases the heartbeat and thereby increased blood pressure, which is not actually needed. Increased blood pressure and increased heart rate, and in the long run it may lead to the permanent high blood pressure, etc., etc., and it may lead to emphysema, bronchitis. The entire our respiratory system is getting affected by the smoking. So one has to avoid smoking as well as use of these drugs for a healthy life as well as the future. In the next class we will see alcohol, its abuse, its prevention, etc. I hope you have understood. This may be asked for 1 marks questions, or like these they may be asked 3 together, their common name, their site of action, effects, like that maybe. So make sure you have understood this. Name of the plant may be 1 marks, or its common name for 1 marks, coke or a crack or heroin or a smack. Okay, thank you students.